In a world of harsh scrubs and foaming face washes, finding a cleanser that respects your skin is a true luxury. Forget the squeaky clean myth. Stripping your skin's natural moisture is not the goal. Your skin barrier deserves protection, and your routine should feel like a calming ritual, not a chore. Gentle, mindful cleansing is about restoring, not punishing your skin. Today on Brain Boosters, we're exploring 5 dermatologist-recommended facial cleansers that clean and care. Luxury isn't about price, it's about experience. Formulation and results, whether your skin is dry, sensitive, or just needs a little more love. This is your guide to elevated self-care skincare. Let's dive into the ingredients, the feel, and why these picks are expert favorites. Let's start with a French pharmacy icon, Avène Extremely Gentle Cleanser Lotion. Powered by Avène Signature Thermal Spring Water. This cleanser is a savior for sensitive, reactive, or compromised skin. The minimalist formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and designed to calm, not irritate. Its milky lightweight texture glides on like a hydrating treatment, not a harsh wash. Here's the twist. It's a no-rinse formula. Massage it in, tissue it off, and you're left with soft, balanced skin. No tightness, no residue. This makes it perfect for hypersensitive skin or post-procedure care when even water can be too much. The cleanser preserves your skin's hydrolipidic film, your first defense against the environment. For a spa-like touch, use a warm, reusable cotton, round, or muslin cloth to remove it. Comforting and soothing, the star ingredient, Avène Thermal Spring Water, is clinically shown to calm and restore parserine. A patented postbiotic further reduces irritation and strengthens the skin barrier. Avène's commitment to science-backed, gentle care is clear in every drop. Who's it for? Anyone? Especially those with sensitive, intolerant, or post-procedure skin. Even if your skin is just stressed or over-exfoliated. This is your comfort blanket. It's not about miracles, but about reliable extreme gentleness, a true luxury in skincare. In summary, Avène Extremely Gentle Cleanser Lotion is simplicity and efficacy in a bottle. You don't need foam or harshness for a clean, calm complexion. It's a French classic for a reason, and a must-have for anyone seeking gentle, expert-approved cleansing. Next, a drugstore hero that proves luxury can be affordable. Simple Micellar Cleansing Water. This product uses micellar technology, tiny molecules that lift away dirt and makeup without harsh rubbing. The result? Clean, refreshed skin with its natural moisture barrier intact. Simple's philosophy is all about skin-loving ingredients. No artificial perfumes, colors, or harsh chemicals. Enriched with vitamin B3, vitamin C, and triple purified water. It's gentle and effective. The experience is pure refreshment. Just soak a cotton pad, swipe, and you're done. No stickiness, no residue. Perfect for a quick morning cleanse, or as the first step in a double cleanse at night. Elevate the experience with high-quality cotton pads and gentle upward strokes for a mini facial massage. Especially great for oily or combination skin. It removes excess oil without triggering dryness. It's also a makeup removal powerhouse. Gentle enough for the eyes, effective enough for waterproof formulas. Accessibility is key. You'll find it in almost any drugstore, making consistent quality skincare easy. It's a foolproof pick for beginners, and a reliable staple for everyone. In short, simple micellar cleansing water is proof. You don't need to splurge for gentle, effective cleansing. It's micellar technology and kind-to-skin formula. Make it a standout, affordable luxury. Let's be honest, some nights convenience is the ultimate luxury. Enter Neutrogena oil-free cleansing wipes. Dermatologist recommended, effective and gentle. Unlike many wipes, these are alcohol-free and oil-free, making them safe for sensitive and breakout-prone skin. The soft, pre-moistened cloth dissolve dirt, oil, and even waterproof makeup. No harsh rubbing required. One wipe is all you need for a clean, refreshed face. No sticky or tight feeling. Perfect for travel, the gym, or those nights when a full routine feels impossible. Here's a luxury tip: chill the wipes in the fridge for a cooling, depuffing treat after a long day. While not a daily replacement for liquid cleansers, they're a smart backup for real-life moments. Ophthalmologist tested, they're safe for the delicate eye area, no stinging, no irritation. The oil-free formula won't clog pores, making them ideal for acne-prone skin. Remember, be gentle, let the formula do the work, and avoid scrubbing. Neutrogena wipes are about practical, effective cleansing when you need it most. They're a trusted, dermatologist-backed solution for busy days and tired nights with a little fridge hack. They even become a moment of refreshing self-care. Now a touch of British elegance, no. 7 Revitalizing Cleansing Wipes. This UK classic combines heritage and science for accessible, effective skincare infused with provitamin B5. These wipes hydrate as they cleanse, leaving skin soft and comfortable. Hypoallergenic and extra gentle, they're ideal for sensitive or easily irritated skin. The soft, cloth-like texture lifts away impurities and makeup, including waterproof without harsh rubbing. For a luxury twist, keep a pack in your carry-on for in-flight hydration, or use for precise makeup touch UPS. No 7's trusted legacy means you're getting both classic quality and modern innovation. Best for normal to dry or sensitive skin. These wipes nourish while cleansing, supporting your skin's barrier. Use them as a convenient option for travel, the gym, or quick fixes, not as your daily go-to. In summary, no. 7 Revitalizing Cleansing Wipes offer British charm, scientific care, and a gentle hydrating cleanse. Luxury in a simple format. Finally, we return to French pharmacy luxury with Clarins Floral Water Makeup Remover, featuring soothing cornflower clarins. Plant-based science shines in this gentle, effective eye makeup remover. Organically farmed cornflower calms and decongests. Perfect for tired or sensitive eyes. The formula matches the pH of tears. No stinging, no irritation. Even for contact lens wearers, it removes all traces of makeup while soothing and reducing puffiness. The texture is light and refreshing. No oily residue, just clean. Comfortable skin for a spa moment. Soak 2 cotton pads, place over closed eyes, and relax for 5 minutes. A mini eye mask that depuffs and calms clarins. Commitment to organic farming and botanical expertise ensures purity and safety. Though designed for eyes, it's gentle enough for a quick facial cleanse, especially for reactive skin. A must-have for regular eye makeup wearers, or anyone seeking a natural, soothing solution for tired eyes. In conclusion, Chlorella Floral Water Makeup Remover is more than a cleanser. It's a botanical treatment and a moment of pure plant-powered luxury. True luxury isn't about price tags. It's about how a product makes your skin feel calm, comfortable, and respected. It's about formulas that protect your skin's barrier and turn cleansing into a mindful ritual. These 5 cleansers combine dermatological trust, global reputation, and gentle elegance, from French thermal waters to British science. Each offers a unique path to a calm, happy complexion. Your skin deserves more than just to be clean. It deserves to be cherished. This is Brain Boosters, where beauty meets brilliance. We hope you find your perfect, gentle cleanser and bring a little more luxury into your daily routine. Stay radiant, stay refined.